Hello YouTube, back again. Just doing a short little video here tonight. Got done working on my Dell Optiplex 280's power supply and realizing it was pooched. So I went ahead and working on here my test bench here tonight. I thought I would shoot a little quick video on a problem that you might have if you are recycling old cases, computer cases. As you can see, I have an ASUS board, which is just some random board I found in the pile that I'm using for testing AMD chips for. And the problem is that, as you can see right here, this little jumper do, that the original power supply, let me move here for you, the original power supply just would not, I mean, it would reach, but maybe with me just cutting tight right across here and just blocking all my PCI slots and just kind of in the way. And I really didn't like that layout. And I'm not a stickler for case management, cable management, but I do like to have access to everything, even if it is just a test bench, as this is. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I just got a 20 line whole thing of this. It was 20 across, each line split. Let's see if we can kind of zoom her in here. As you can see, sort of, that each one is individual and then it braids back here. And I have just 4 and 4 because, well, like this top one only needs 2 and this one might need 3 or something like that. So I mean, it's not necessary to do the 4 and 4, but I went ahead and did it 4 and 4 just so that I could make that connection down with the motherboard easier for me to do, just quick and fast and not have to think a lot. So that's just out there for you guys that might be considering reusing some. It keeps spraying apart. I'll probably end up maybe doing a heat sink or shrink or something on it to kind of hold it together. Although really the amount of use this thing is going to get, it's probably unnecessary. And I see I'm getting along on time here. You know, this is an Acer case with an ASUS board, aftermarket processor. I think this has a AMD quad core in it right now. I'm testing that and a junked out hard drive, but as you can see, and a Dynex power supply. But as you can see in there, I mean, everything is, you know, kind of tucked up in here and out of the way, and I probably should use a different one of these instead of that 90-degree bend there, but yeah, that's what I had handy. So I mean, for the purposes of a test bench, this is going to make a great little test bench. So yeah, there you go. And I just thought I'd share that with everybody. Thanks.